Okay, our 1206 has a problem. Look at that, the wheel's coming off. This broke off this stud, so I gotta try and get it out and get the wheel back in and tighten it. Spray this with PV Blaster. And just spray that and get... That one is turning in the wrong spot, which is unfortunate, but I think I got it actually backed off enough to move the wheel. May have to back it off a bit more. I could grab this as a vice grip right here. I should need to try that. I bet you I'm gonna need heat. I got this loose, it came off at the wrong spot. I gotta cut that, touch that to get it out though. But I got an idea. I think I could get one off off another tractor. Okay, I got this taken off. I had to cut this, the one that was broken, I had to torch it off. I could use this, or I got one off a 706, the same part number, so I could use a 706 one, and that's what I'll do for now. See if these will come loose now. So you get the impact in just right, they should. Ooh. Oh, the other one is loose. Well, this will move now. I'm gonna pull this bolt out right here. So you get my impact on the other one. Dad got me a stick of grade 8 ready rod. I'm gonna cut it in the right length and make a new stud. Well, you see these are exactly the same length, so it should work good. I'm gonna tap on these to clean the threads up good so they work better. There we go. Okay, I've got to put a bunch of this stuff on here because I like using this stuff and lots of it. The more of this stuff you use, the easier it comes apart when you have to. This here I gotta put it in like this. There again, I'll put some of this stuff on. Actually, no, I don't want it on this end too bad, I don't think. But you know, maybe I should. I'd lube it up. The more I lube it up, the better. Because you don't know which end it's going to come. They'll encourage it to come on that end if you put it there, but not always does it work out that way anyways. Okay, I think I got this one started now, actually. Thread it right through. Thread this one right through. I had a bad spot to video, really. There we go. There, doesn't that look a lot better? This should be, I gotta tighten her up now and we should be good. It is tightening. Tighten this one a bit more. getting her tight. Ew, that's tight. Tighten the back one some more. I think that's tight enough. Okay, now I'll do the inside. To loosen this bolt off here, I'll show you why. You get my impact up here now to tighten this. Tighten it I will. I tightened it a bit already, but the other one a bit anyways. This one I gotta tighten some more. There we go. Think that's tight enough. I had these backed right off, so now I tightened them up good, and now they're good. I tightened this one a bit off camera, so now we're good. Tighten this one a little bit more. I think I got her. I hope this video has earned a subscription and a like. God bless you. I'll catch you at the next one.